my channel Learn and Care with Sneha. Guys, hope you all are safe and doing well, and I hope you all enjoyed my previous makeup video. So guys, today I am going to share with you all my this Durga Puja makeup look. And as we all know, Durga Puja is very famous in Kolkata as like Ganesh Puja in Mumbai, and as I am from Kolkata and Durga Puja is all near, so I thought why not to share a Durga Puja makeup look with you all, and I hope you all will like my this Durga Puja makeup look. So guys, let's not talk more and let's get started.
So guys, to create this look, first I am taking my Lakme Absolute Primer and I am applying it on all over my face and especially focusing on T-zone areas. Now to create my base, today I will take my L'Oreal True Match Foundation. I am applying it and then I will blend it with the help of a beauty blender. You can also take any brush, but I am blending it with the help of my beauty blender. And today I will not take any concealer to conceal my under eye area. I will just take some portion of my this foundation and I will apply it on my under eye area and all the highlighted areas, and then again I will blend it with the help of my beauty blender. Now to set my base, today I will take my Faces Canada's Weightless Matte Compact and I am applying it with the help of a brush. Base is ready and I am taking my Music Flower Gel Liner in the shade brown and I am shaping my brows with the help of this. I will give all the details of products in my description box. You can check it from there. So today I am not going to apply any eyeshadow for my eyeliner. Today I am taking my Swiss Beauty lip pencil in the shade red and I am just applying it as my liner today. The trick guys, if you don't have any colorful eyeliner, you can take any of your lip pencil and apply it as your eyeliner. So I am also doing that. I am taking my Swiss Beauty lip pencil and applying it as my eyeliner, and then I will top it with the help of my Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette, and I will use a red shade from that. So here I am applying my liner. I am showing very close so that you all can notice the color pigment. So I have applied my eyeliner with the help of my Swiss Beauty lip pencil, and now I am taking my Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette and I am taking this red shade from this palette and I am applying it on over my eyeliner which I have applied before, and I am just topping it with this color. So you will see as more as I will apply this color on top of my eyeliner, my eye will look more attractive, and it's a very simple hack guys. You all can do it. If you don't have any colorful eyeliner, just do this trick and your eyes are going to look very attractive. So here I am taking my Swiss Beauty glitter eyeliner in the shade bronze and I am just applying a very thin layer of it on top of my that red eyeliner. Yes, I am just applying a extra liner line on top of my that red eyeliner to enhance my eye makeup so that my eye will look more attractive and bold. So as we all know, it's mandatory to wear mask nowadays. Masks are very important, so whatever you are going to apply, a mask or not, your eyes are going to look more attractive and bold with or without mask. Now I am taking my Maybelline Voluminous Mascara and I am coating my lashes very well with this, and today I will also apply falsies because I want to highlight my eye makeup more, so that I will also apply falsies. For my lower lid, I am taking this peachy shade from my Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette. I am applying it in my lower lid with the help of a pencil brush. Now I am taking my NYB Kohl Kajal and I am applying it in my outer waterline only, and then I will smudge it also. So I am smudging it only in half of my waterline, and for another half of my waterline I will take my NYB Golden Eye Pencil and I will apply it on other half of my waterline. So here I am done with my eye makeup, and now I am taking my Miss Claire blush palette, and I am taking this contouring shade from this palette, and I am contouring my face with this. Today I will do only powder contouring. I have not applied any cream contour, so I am taking this shade from this palette and I am contouring my face well with this. For my blush today I will take this peach shade from this palette. It's a peachy pinkish shade and I will apply it as my blush today. For my highlighter today I am taking my Shivana highlighter palette. I am just mixing both these colors and applying it as my highlighter, and I will highlight all my highlighted areas with this. Now I will fix my makeup with the help of my Faces Canada's makeup fixer. I will spray it on all over my face and let it set for 1 minute, and then I am taking my Color by lipstick and applying this as my lipstick today, as I am taking a nude shade. So here is the final look guys, and I hope you all enjoyed my this Durga Puja look. So guys, if you liked my video then do like and share my video, and also subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon button for more updates. So guys, मिलते हैं अपने अगले वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए स्टे सेफ, स्टे एट होम।